Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. Today, I'm standing here to tell you guys about my future plan after graduated from school. So right now, actually, I don't have any fixed future plan about which department and university I would want to go. But I do have some choice of university and department. First of all, I want to go to medical department at Erlangga University or Farm Institute of Bogor. And the second, I want to go to mining department at Institute Technology of Bandung. And also, I want to enter the State Accounting College. I don't know which department I want to choose right now, but I believe that my choice will fit my skills and goals. I hope that I can enter my dream university and be a successful person in the future. Amin. So that's my future plan. Thank you guys for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.